these small scale reports, if something that needs to be done really quick, that SQL Connect is reasonably good at. You can actually run the SQL statement, export to Excel, and here's your report. But something that's a little bit more analytical, or something that requires year-over-year trends that will churn data from the past 5 years and compare it quarter by quarter with current quarters, compared with previous quarters, and maybe even further previous quarters, right? So it's a big data churn. Those you can do on the warehouse and report off of that warehouse instead, right? Now, similarly, it's not just Oracle Cloud. There's a numerous pipelines, right? If your organization uses any of these applications, and some more we couldn't fit on the screen, actually, there's some more. You can bring data from all of these applications through these data pipelines into your target databases, which could be a data warehouse. But they conceptually work similarly. Basically, they are connecting to, these pipelines connect to all of these different data sources, and then pretty much harmonize the data into your data warehouse so you can use it for any which fashion you think is good, right? Very similar to the other one, the previous one that we just discussed.